I've tested dozens of kitchen tools, but these 18, they actually made me enjoy cooking again. Links are in the description. Let's get started. This gadget carbonates water using CO2 cylinders. It stands out from similar products for its sleek, minimalist design. Meanwhile, the Tofu D store offers this Tofu Press. Thanks to the automatic Intelli spring system, this tool makes tofu more compact and easier to slice. This device from Almond Cow makes oat, almond, soy, and other plant-based milks. Great news not just for vegans, but for anyone looking to expand their dietary options. This electric crepe maker from Moss & Stone is so simple to use that each crepe takes just seconds to make. Simply dip it into the batter. Its temperature adjusts automatically. Pasta lovers, look this way. Have you ever heard of CGOLDENWALL? This machine comes with 12 cutting modules and makes not just spaghetti, but also fettuccine, penne, and other types of pasta, all in just 10 minutes. This warming mat from Plateful keeps food hot by maintaining a temperature between 40 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Celsius. It also features a timer that can be set for up to 72 hours. The Prepdeck Gen 2 station lets you carefully arrange the ingredients you'll use in your dish and makes working with them easier. Besides 14 plastic containers, the station includes a cutting board, a tablet stand, a vegetable peeler, and other useful tools. This tool is great for quickly slicing ingredients like grapes or cherry tomatoes. This mini fridge from Califor is more than just a purchase, it's an investment in future parties. With a capacity of 180 cans, it helps keep your main fridge uncluttered. It's designed to fit both metal and glass containers and includes 3 removable shelves. This Lazy Susan system is perfect for family meals. No more stretching across the table to grab the salad you like. It assembles in just 2 minutes and can be expanded with additional modules if needed. Geedel chops and slices at lightning speed. While others spend 3 minutes dicing an onion, Geedel owners do it in just 15 seconds. The Lefton Sink lets you take your kitchen skills up a notch. Rinse, wash, and even chill, all with precise control over water flow and temperature. Portentum has released a 2-in-1 dispenser. It pours and sprays. Super handy, especially for oil and vinegar. Here we have a meat tenderizer. Traditionally, you'd pound meat with a special mallet, but that method is noisy and inconvenient. This tool has 50 blades that create tiny pockets in the meat to speed up both marinating and cooking. Just a regular coffee grinder? Not quite. This one can handle other ingredients too, even liquids, nuts, fruits, sauces. It's time to get creative with flavor. This egg cooker holds up to 7 eggs and can make them soft or hard-boiled. Once they're ready, it lets you know with a beep. Convenient and easy to use. BlendJet 2 is a compact, battery-powered blender you can take to the beach or the office. It easily crushes frozen fruit and ice. Just 1 hour of charging is enough to make up to 15 cocktails. This grater combines style and function. First, it's available in several colors, so you can pick the one that best matches your kitchen. Second, it can grate cheese, carrots, chocolate, and other foods. And third, it works 12 times faster than similar products. Which gadget do you think is totally useless or overhyped? You can find the link in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content.